Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, we are down here on Lake Texoma. We found this little sandy beach. We're out kind of enjoying the evening, just got done eating. Lindy's brother's going to be down tomorrow with the boat, and we're going to do some wakeboarding and surfing and stuff. So we're just kind of hanging out waiting on them. But it was a perfect evening. The water feels amazing. So we wanted to bring you guys along for this journey. We'll try to get as much footage as we can. Share our experience down here the first time on Lake Texoma. So far, we really like it.
I'm up on the drop off. Oh, sorry. There's lots of sticks. Yeah. It's either that or that's that. I see that on my booty. Ah. Watermelon.
Huddy, you having fun?
Yeah! Look at that. That's my favorite part. So I can smile. Did I do it? No. I did it?
All right, well, we just made it back here to this place. There's actually some other people down here beat us to it. But we would be on the boat right now, but I'll put some picture and a video in this video.
What's going down to the cave?
So my brother-in-law's had quite the luck this morning. Made it about 10 minutes from the house, had a blowout on the boat tire, on the boat trailer. The spare was flat, had to go get it aired up. Took the trailer to the tire shop to have all the tires looked at. One of them was really bad, but the particular tire place didn't have a tire. Said go to Walmart, get a tire. Well, they did not make it to Walmart, which is about another 10 miles away, 10 minutes away. And it had another blowout. 2 blowouts this morning on the boat trailer on the way down here. So they are on their way now, but may not be boating today. If we do, it'll be later. So we're just going to come out here and hit up this sandy beach again and do a little swimming. So let's get started. How's it going?
It's going great.
It's going great.
There's a huge bug up there and I went under my mouth in it.
Lindy's always got a dew in her hand.
Oh, pistol.
What do we find here?
Baby crab?
Daddy, I
Thick?
can
Looks so
I-
tiny.
I don't.
Spider?
That's definitely a crab.
No? Smallest crab ever.
On Lake Texoma, we found a crab. Alright guys, well, we made it back from Texoma, finally. How was it? How was the trip, Huddy? Did you like it?
The lake.
What's that face for?
That's it.
Well, he actually did like it, but why he's making that face is he wants to eat some of this now. And we can't eat it yet. We have to, what do we got to do to it? That's the universal hand sign for shuck, I guess. We got to shuck corn. We just left our friends at Walker Farm Fam. They had so much corn, so they was generous enough to offer up we had to go pick up 3 bags of corn. So now the real work starts. So we're gonna get to shucking, and we'll catch you guys later in this video. And then I got to go take care of the goat pen there. I got to see all that tall grass in there. I got to go take care of it, cut it down, because it's growing faster than the 2 goats can eat. So I'm gonna have to help them out a little bit. So we're gonna get to cleaning, and then we'll catch up with you guys later. What we got here, Mama?
Corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob.
I want to chug it.
You want to chug it?
You want to chug it?
Or shuck it?
Let's chug it.
What I'm doing right now.
Come here. Come right here.
Show them how to do it.
Show them how to do it. Remember how Gary showed you to do it?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, there we go. Good.
Oh, Heidi, look. I have a little friend.
Oh, worm.
Look, there's a little friend.
There's a worm. That a corn worm?
Yep.
Do they live in corn?
Yep.
Do they eat it?
Yep.
So it's not fresh?
Here we go. Clean it up. Show us how to do it.
I am, but I'm not taking that off. Do I take this one?
You gotta take all that, remember? Pull all that down.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can't snap it.
I do that.
Grab it right and pop it. Pop it. There we go.
I'm trying to do it.
Just like that. The
There you
girls
go.
are finishing up. They got about 6 or so ears left to shuck, so they're going to do that, and then we're going to load all this trash up right here. See, we got a pile of trash there and a giant pile right there. We're going to get it loaded up and take it over to the goat pen. They're waiting on it. Come on, Latte.
They won't come in there.
Oh, Mocha, come on. Come on.
No, Latte. Grab it by your horns. Go back home. Hold your corn. Go on. No.
Shut the gate.
Shut it. I got him.
You can do it. Come on. Push. Push. There we go. Way to use them muscles. Alrighty, so I cut all the less desirable weeds down. It pretty much wasn't grass anymore. I still left this back fence area there where they love to get up there and eat that stuff over there. So left that pretty much mowed. Everything else down. Is that right, Latte? Ain't it, Latte? Huh? Is that better? A little easier to walk? Mocha. Mocha. Come here, Harley. Harper. Whichever one you are. Come here. Come here, Harley.
Harper will.
Hey, quit biting me.
Harper, come
Quit biting me. What's up, girls?
on. No, not you. Stop eating my shirt.
I know, they just keep eating us. Harley and Harper are growing. Their collars don't fit anymore. They need tightened up, I guess. Or loosened up, I mean. What? What? Alright guys, well that's all we got in today's video. I'd like to thank you guys for joining us. Hopefully in the next video we'll get that other pygmy goat from Dutch. It's been a long time coming, says he still has it. So hopefully in the next video we'll get it and we'll have an extra goat on the homestead. But thank you guys for joining us. Until next time, God bless.
Can I say something?
Yeah, what's up?
Subscribe.